You can easily calculate percentage inside of Microsoft Excel, and to do that, let's see how to enter formula for it. So here I have the buy rate as 75 and sell rate as 100. So the profit that I have in my hand is 25 or 25%. So let us calculate that and let's see how to do that. So this is primary school math. So if you were to press equal to right here for the formula right here, so I'm going to add in the sell rate minus buy rate, sell rate minus buy rate divided by sell rate. This would give me the percentage, that is 25%. But if I were to press enter, you can see that I get a very odd number over here. So what this actually is doing is that it is applying the BODMAS formula. So it's using the divide first, so it's dividing B1 by B2 first. But what I want the formula to do is divide B2 minus B1 first and then divide it by B2. And for the formula to do that, you need to add in brackets. So I'm going to add in a bracket on the beginning over here and at the end right here. So what this does is it subtracts B1 from B2 first and then divides it by B2. And now let's press enter and let's see. That's the profit, that's 0.25%. But this is in decimal format and I want to change it to percentage. So I'm going to click here and then click on percentage right here. So just click it and there you go, there's a percentage. So if I were to enter any formula right here, let's say for example, buy rate is 300, so minus 200 is my loss right there. So that is the profit, as you can see. So if I were to change this into 400, you can see that it goes back to 200. I change my value right there and I can enter any formula and then it'll show me the percentage right here. So you can see that this is how you can use the formula for the percentage inside of Microsoft Excel. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.